In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to Shopify. Whether you're bringing on a new team member or collaborating with someone on your Shopify store, it's important to know how to give them the right access. Let me guide you through this straightforward process to ensure you can efficiently manage your Shopify users. To begin, head over to Shopify's website. Make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin panel. If you aren't already logged in, enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Your admin panel is the hub where you'll manage all aspects of your store, including user permissions. Once you're logged in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen and click on Settings. This is where you can adjust all sorts of parameters important to the operation of your store. With this click, you'll open up the Settings menu, a crucial area for customizing everything from payment gateways to shipping details. In this Settings menu, locate the Users section. Take a moment to scroll through if you're unfamiliar with this menu. Once you find it, go ahead and click on Users. This section is where you'll manage all the people who have access to your store. Here, you can adjust existing permissions for current users or add new members to your team. Look for the Add Staff button. It's your gateway to bringing in new collaborators. Clicking it will open up a form for you to fill out with the new user's details. You'll see fields for the name and email address. Be sure to carefully enter the user's email address because it's to this address that the invitation will be sent. Double-check that there are no typos, as you want to ensure they receive the invite promptly. Following this, you'll assign roles to your new user. Shopify provides several predefined roles which correspond to varying levels of permissions. Choose a role that matches the tasks they'll be responsible for. You can customize permissions within each pre-existing role, or, if necessary, you can create a new role with specific permissions tailored to the needs of your store and the user's responsibilities. Once you're satisfied with the roles and permissions you've set for your new user, look for the Send Invite button. By clicking it, you'll send an invitation directly to the user's email. This will allow them to create their own Shopify login credentials and start working in the areas of your store you've granted them access to. There you have it. Your new team member is ready to help manage and grow your Shopify store. Remember, managing user permissions is an ongoing task. Make sure to periodically review and update permissions as roles change or as your store grows. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.